And now we are going to unwrap Deniz, which is in very pretty powder pink and lavender tones, especially for people who like wearing in winters softer hues. ठीक है जी, this is a very beautiful outfit which has this pearl handwork on it throughout on the neckline. बहुत ही खूबसूरत इसकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. You can clearly see throughout, नीचे घेरे पे, everywhere there's pearl work on it, which gives it a soft yet formal look. Okay, now this is the back of the outfit, which is beautifully embroidered too. And this is जी हमारा sleeves का fabric. Very nice. बहुत ही खूबसूरत chinoisery effect इसमें आ रहा है. Very different design and embroidery. Okay, now let me tell you, there are multiple laces, ठीक है जी, which you can use for the side slits. This is so pretty and delicate. See, very nice and different. ये है जी हमारे पास फ्रंट ओपन बनाना है तो उस पे आपके लग सकते हैं आराम से. सो काफी किस्म की लेसेस हैं आपके पास. मूविंग ऑन टू दैट इज हमारे स्लीव्स का पर्ल वर्कड ऑन. ये देख सकते हैं आप, अटैचमेंट एक्सटेंशन है स्लीव्स के लिए. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दीज ब्यूटीफुल क्रॉशेट लेसेस इन द कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग वाइट्स. और ये है जो अपने गले पे लगाना है, घेरे पे लगाना है, wherever you want to give the finishing, that is absolutely lavish enough for that. ये है हमारे बैक के लिए crochet motif है, right? So pretty. And this is of course हमारी finishings for the sleeves के. ये silk के हमारे मड़े हुए balls हैं. You can clearly see it's on the sleeves as we've used it for the shoot purpose. But of course आपने जहाँ भी लगाना हो. And this is the yellow tassel that goes for the front. Now this is the very interesting, very modern, nice, आप ये देख सकते हैं geometric pattern embroidered. हमारी shawl है, which gives a very nice touch to the entire outfit. And the beautiful colors and embroidery, of course, brightening up the entire outfit. And this is, of course, the trouser fabric.